If you have yet to make some type of hearty roasted beef this season, this is your sign. For our marinade, we're going to do a quarter cup of olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 minced garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and a teaspoon of fresh thyme leaves. Mix that all together and we're going to pour it over our meat. Gently massage that marinade into your meat and we're going to let it marinate in the fridge overnight for maximum flavor capacity. The longer you allow it to marinate, the better it will taste, but also because we added rice vinegar, the more tenderized it'll be when you cook it. So now it's the morning of and we're ready to make our roast. In a pot with some olive oil, you're going to sear your pieces of meat real quickly, just until you get a nice crust on the outside. Leave all that rendered out fat in the pot though, because now we're going to throw in our stew vegetables. I threw in some potatoes, carrots, onions, some bell pepper, and a ton of roasted garlic. I'm going to throw in some bay leaves into the pot. And we're going to nestle in our pieces of beef nicely back into the pot. Throw in that leftover marinade and we're then going to submerge our ingredients in some vegetable stock. This goes into the oven at 385 for 2 hours and this should be your final result. I went ahead and paired this dish with some mashed potatoes, some asparagus, and some seared king oyster mushrooms. And of course, our roast goes on top with all of those hearty stewed vegetables.